Welcome to this edition of Chamber Chat. We're super excited for everyone that had come out for the 25th Annual Chamber Chili Cook-Off. We again want to thank our sponsors for this successful event, and everyone had a wonderful time. We had beautiful weather, and it was just a great community party in downtown Pulaski. We look forward to doing that once again next year. A couple of things we have coming up are our next ribbon cutting is going to be November 3rd at Southern Tennessee Regional Health System is opening a new psychiatry office for Dr. Malhotra, and we're going to cut their ribbon at 8:30 on November 3rd. Our next chamber coffee is on Veterans Day, November 11th at NHC Home Care. We'll have the chamber coffee that morning, and then we hope you'll join us on the square at the courthouse for the Veterans Day program. November 12th, we'll be back in Linville for another roundtable discussion about tourism. November 14th is the 5th Annual Square Christmas. We're super excited to have a 5th Annual Square Christmas right here in downtown Pulaski, where we're encouraging everyone to shop local. There's lots of special sales and open houses going on to kick off the Christmas shopping season. Hope you'll stay tuned to Pulaski TV today for more from Main Street about Square Christmas on November 14th. We'd like to thank some of our recent new members for joining the Chamber: Staff Mark, Linville Easy Stop, Credit Central, Air Evac, AirMed Network, Platinum Healthcare, and also Forever Flores right here in downtown Pulaski. So I hope all of you have a wonderful November, and we kick off a great fall and get ready for the Christmas season. And don't forget the parade, the Pulaski Giles County Christmas Parade is December 12th with the theme In Lights, because again this year we're going to have a nighttime Christmas parade through downtown Pulaski, and you can find those applications on gilescountychamber.com. Happy fall!
Yes, thank you, Jessie. We do have a lot going on with Main Street, and we welcome you to a Main Street Minute. The next event that you'll see from Main Street is our Square Christmas, and there are tons of things going on that day. That Saturday is just sort of our hometown kickoff to come out and shop with us downtown, and we hope that you'll do that. We'll start that morning with the Rotary Pancake Breakfast at 7. It goes until 11 a.m., so come out and you can have all-you-can-eat pancakes and see Santa. Santa and Mrs. Claus will go from there, and they will do their tour around the square. So there are several different locations that you will get to see Santa and Mrs. Claus. Later that morning, we're going to have a Master and Miss Square Christmas pageant, and you can find more information about that along with more information about the entire day on our Facebook page and our web page, so check it out there. The form is available for Master and Miss Square Christmas there on the website and on our Facebook page. Later, we'll go to the library and we'll have a little fun with Elf on the Shelf and have our Kids and Pets Parade hosted by First National Bank, and we appreciate them participating in that. And then there are some other activities to come later in the afternoon that promise to start your Christmas season off right. So join us that day on November 14th downtown on the Pulaski Square to kick off your Christmas holiday shopping. Not long after that, we'll have our Christmas parade on December 12th. That'll be 5 p.m. and as Jessie did say, it is the theme this year is In Lights. So we're going to celebrate the fact that we have moved our parade to nighttime and just see how brightly we can shine. So come on out and enjoy that. That's coming up December 12th. And if you have any questions or you ever need me for anything, give me a shout at the Chamber or look us up on Facebook. Thanks so much. Have a great day.